And this one, let's simplify this expression. So first I'm going to copy the x to the negative fifth. I'm going to take that 3 that you see there and distribute it to the negative 6 and the 7. So it's going to give me the following: y to the negative 6 times 3. And then times here is z to the 7 times 3. Copy the bottom, x to the negative second, y to the negative third. I'm multiplying these. And then z to the positive 4. Simplify the exponent so it becomes x to the negative fifth. Negative 6 times 3 becomes there y to the negative 18th. And then this becomes z to the 21st. And at the bottom I have x to the negative second times y to the negative third times z to the fourth. At the next stage, we want to interchange any negative exponents. What I mean by that is the following. Where you see x to the negative fifth, because it's negative in the top, you put it down in the bottom as positive. Where you see x to the negative second in the bottom, you put that up to the top with a positive exponent. So let's do that now. I'm going to put that big division symbol and switch them. So x to the negative fifth will go in the bottom as positive 5, and x to the negative second will be flipped up to the top as x to the positive second. You do that also for the y's now. So it's going to be y to the third positive, and y to the 18th positive in the bottom. The z's you can leave exactly as they are because they're already written with positive exponents. And remember, all of these things are being multiplied together. At the next stage here, we can cancel. So first I'm going to write x squared, put the division symbol, and you see that x to the fifth on the bottom there. I'm going to rewrite that as follows. I'm going to put x to the second times x to the third. And that is so, remember, for the following reason. Like when you have x to the fifth, that's x to the second times x to the third. And I'm rewriting it this way because this will make it very simple to cancel x squared between top and bottom. Same thing with the y. So I'm going to put it here times y to the third. And on the bottom, instead of writing y to the 18th, let me do that on the side. I'm going to put y to the 15th times y to the third. And that's equivalent to y to the 18th, but it's more useful because I can cancel off y to the third between top and bottom once I have them explicitly identified. So for that reason, I'm going to put y to the 15th times y to the third. And lastly, with the z's, you may want to pause the video and figure out on you how to do that, but I'll do it. So I'm going to rewrite z to the 21st here as z to the 17th times z to the fourth. And again, I'm doing that because on the bottom I have z to the fourth. I want to be able to cancel easily. So up here, I'm going to put z to the 17th times z to the fourth. And now I have all the factors identified, and I can cancel them off very easily. Take a look. So this will cancel with that. Clearly, like this will cancel with that, and z to the fourth will cancel with that. This way, there's no guessing about what's left over. And let me put that in there. Therefore, at step number 5, I will have z to the 17th here in the top left over. In the bottom, I have x cubed times y to the 15th. And that there is the final step of everything. There we are in 5 steps. I'll see you in another video.